Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I have Christina here again. We decided, with just recently came out, was the Cremated palette from Jeffree Star. Absolutely beautiful. Really can't wait to play with this today. And I was talking with Christina because we both love Jeffree Star so much, and I was like, what can I do with it? Like, I want to do something. So we decided to do light versus dark. So I normally don't play with a lot of like really deep colors, and
I do not play with light colors at all. Exhibit A, B.
So I was like, you know what? I was like, let's hop on, let's make a video where she uses the bottom, any inspiration that she wants to take from these bottom 12. I just had to count really quick. And then I'm gonna use this top row, and we are going to create two drastically different looks.
I hope they're drastically different than maybe.
They're gonna be something. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you're subscribed to me, and let's get started. Okay, so to start out with, we have a plethora of brushes because, you know, who knows what's gonna happen. So we have brushes here, we have tape. Tape is important for the fun looks that we're gonna do, sharp lines. We have our mirrors, we have some lips for later, and the palette. So I am going to start with Wednesday, this light gray shade in this palette. What are you gonna start with? Pick your poison.
Last Respects.
So she's gonna start with Last Respects, this like nude brown shade.
Which is gonna look so dark on you.
So Wednesday for me in my inner corner, and you're doing an overall wash.
Yeah.
So don't hide your face.
We should do this. This is literally like an ash color.
Well, I mean, the palette is called Cremated.
I know, but like,
so
this is like the most ash color out of all of them. Like, I would have thought like that one or that one.
well, I mean,
but
this is more like, this one is more definitely like smoke ash. Yours is definitely more like actually cremated ashes. Don't ask me how I know that. So, Christina,
Yes.
what is one, like, since we're like kind of spooky, it's cremated, it's death.
Yeah.
Like, what is one like story of like? Do you have a story of like paranormal activity experiences?
Yeah, actually, and it happened in Williamsburg.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, right up the road from here.
Right up the road. So we were going on a ghost tour, and they were telling us a bunch of like stories, and I was like, yeah, you know, whatever. And they had a few where I was like, okay, that's a little creepy. I'm gonna have to watch, you know, like a Disney movie before I go to bed. It's fine, it's fine. And then, so we got to this like one private-owned cemetery. Because back in the colonial times, they had like family cemeteries where only elite people of the family got to be buried there. And they said that there was only one ghost ever seen there, and always seen in the same place. I wasn't really paying attention. I took a picture with my own digital camera, like with a snap. You had to go buy the
Oh yeah.
Film,
Like
the
we're talking
SD
like a
card.
little bit old school.
Yeah,
like
a little old school. Like my Fuji film.
Yes,
what we did.
Fuji film.
And then I took a picture, and I saw like an outline of something. It could be nothing, but also it just fit perfectly to what they were saying, because it was like an outline of a person, and I was trying to figure out what it was because I didn't want to be influenced by what she was saying. Right. But then later she goes, oh yeah, so back to my story. This person is in a red cloak and always in this corner just looking over this grave. And I was like, cool.
You're like, that's great.
So I look at my picture again, and I was like, oh look.
You're like, oh look, yep, that's looking over great.
That's what I got. So
that's crazy. How old were you?
Oh, I was like, we were dating.
Were we?
Yeah.
So just so everybody knows, I took Solemnly Swear, which is the deeper gray shade here, and I placed that right next to Wednesday. We're just building up that intensity.
I came home one time and my pile of laundry looked like Sinister. And I was just staring at it. I was like, that's not what it is. That's not.
You're like, it's not Sinister.
For hours. I was like, as long as it doesn't move, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine.
I can't.
Because that was the only movie where I was like, oh, this
Lord.
one's a little scary. Like, I might.
Okay, I'm gonna start tape 2.
Because I don't do movies with demons in them
Yeah.
in the place where I'm going to sleep.
Tape is always so weird.
Do you have any paranormal stories?
I mean, nothing like too crazy. I am an empath, so I feel a lot of spiritual energies and a lot of like negative energy sometimes from like spiritual worlds. I know like there was one time that a group of my friends and I, we went down Crawford Road.
Oh yeah, I was really hoping I'd feel something there.
But we went during the day.
I know, but I was so
But we went during the nighttime, like late at night. It was like midnight.
Oh yeah.
And we went down there and it just was like really creepy, and then my friend was being really dumb and was like, oh my god, I brought a Bible. And I was like, please don't piss off these spirits, because Crawford Road is not a place to be messed with. And I was like, okay. So we were going down and she was like, oh my god, I'm so scared, I'm gonna read my Bible. And literally we were out.
Read out loud?
Yes.
No!
Yes. And I was like, oh no!
You do that to yourself. You start praying to yourself.
Right. But no, she decided to read the Bible out loud, and that Bible went flying across the forest as we were on the way to this like abandoned radio station that's out there.
I look so ingenuine. I'm like, oh my gosh. I really am interested.
But yeah, so that was like really, and then I was like, no, we're out, I'm done, I'm not doing this at all. So that was a little bit crazy, but also my thing is like, if you ever feel negative energy, like don't piss it off by doing something ridiculous.
Ooh.
Drama. She is coming for the Grim Reaper.
I'm using Eulogy right now.
Okay.
But for some reason, maybe it's just the lighting, but it looks like very metallic.
I mean, Eulogy is a very matte shade.
Yeah, but it looks like it's transferring shiny.
We don't know what to do with the light. Don't go into the light.
I can't help.
Oh my gosh, I missed Spoke Live.
I'm using the wrong brush for this. Don't come for me, please.
Again, there is never a wrong brush to use. Use what you are comfortable with.
Well, see, I started using it, and then I was like, wait, no, I could have used a different one. And
I mean, we do have more brushes over there.
Oh, whatever. It's the story. I'm
Okay, you
committed.
can switch it if you want to. Okay, so I just finished putting in Hearst, that blackest black shade on my wing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Angel of Death and I'm going to top that black that I just put with Angel of Death, that sparkle shade. Using a dense little brush, I'm going to wet that a little bit.
And I used Eulogy as my crease color and a little bit in the corners, but I'm going over it with Mausoleum, which is like a, I don't know, it's like a copper antique gold. I'm using Goodbye to make.
Goodbye is that metallic. You know what? Yes. Yes. I love how, I'm like, use all the light shades. And so I'm like, use the light shades. This is where she's at. We haven't got down to like, I don't know.
I'm not there yet.
Deathblow, literally the whitest of white.
Yeah. The chalk white.
The chalk white, it's fine. Before I just keep going ham, let me trace my lower lash line with the exact same colors that I just used on the top to kind of see what this is doing.
Do you know what his like inspiration was for this?
I know that he made Bloodlust.
Mm-hmm.
I think that he really wanted another darker palette, and I mean, I think this is something that he hasn't ever done before, obviously. Mm-hmm. So I think it was really nice to add this to the family. But I think with Bloodlust, it was such a like perfect collection because I mean, red plus blue equals purple.
Yes.
So that made sense. But this is a nice addition to like something completely different, which I am really impressed with. So I'm taking the Sephora black glitter liner and lining my waterline with it. It actually looks really good.
Silver.
It looks really good.
Yeah. Better than I thought it would. With no plan and using colors I don't normally use.
You know what I forgot?
Huh.
Mascara and eyelash
Oh my
curlers.
God.
I know I'm gonna hop off camera really quick. I'm gonna put on some lashes because lashes take me a second to put on.
Some good lashes.
And they're really gonna help with this.
This fancy liner.
She's gonna help with do some fancy liner off camera really quick, and we'll hop back on to move on to some lips.
Yes.
Great. Okay, so lashes are on. You're applying mascara. I am going to dip in, and I know I said I was doing darks, but I am gonna dip in really quickly just to accent my brow bone up here. I'm gonna dip into Diamond Ashes, that like white metallic shade, and I'm gonna place that right on my brow bone, right up here, just to also that. That is so lightly. There's definitely a lot of thought with this. I probably should have done this before the fact of putting on my lashes, but you know, it's fine. Okay, are we ready for lips?
Yes.
Okay, so for lips, we're gonna be using two different products. We're both gonna do red lips. I'm doing a vampire red. She's using the red that's the limited edition Christmas shade from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which is the mystery stocking, which is that like ruby red metallic. And then we are gonna be topping our lips with the Heaven's Gate lips.
Thank you.
And guys, I'm using a lipstick. I'm not using a liquid lip.
Look at you.
I know. This
Progress.
is
Growth.
shame. It's a cream lipstick from Urban Decay. Now, I see why I hate lipsticks.
Why?
Because it's not as like crisp.
It's cream though. It's a cream.
I know, but still. I like Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lips. So guys, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again, Christina, for hopping on again. It's been a minute, so. Again, guys, Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette, cremated, absolutely beautiful, really fun formulas, just really versatile and fun to play with.
Yeah,
and again, like I'm not comfortable normally using darker shades in a palette. Like I see like smoky eyes, I'm like, ah, death, scary. Like literally cremated, hashtag death. That's gonna be me. But definitely this palette makes it really easy. Very versatile to be able to use and feel comfortable using it. They blend really well. So if you are someone who is just getting into like smoky eyes and deeper shades, I would definitely recommend it because it's easy to blend, it's easy to use, it's very forgiving, and the formulas are out of this world as always with all of his palettes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like. Please leave a comment down below letting me know what is your favorite Jeffree Star Cosmetics product. I know there's a lot of options. And also, please make sure that you are subscribed because why don't you want to be in my royal family? Come join us. Join us in our castle of beauty and fun and exploration. I hope you guys all have an amazing week and I will see you all soon. As always, stay classy, stay sassy, and love your look. Bye.